Hello, my name is Afifah Inshira. My teammate and I will present about IKEA's design goods and services. Let us begin with the introduction of IKEA and let's explore the IKEA stories. IKEA is founded in 1943 in rural Sweden by Ingvar Kamprad. Believe it or not, IKEA didn't start with furniture, but they initially focused on the line of goods like pens, watches, and socks. Next, we move to IKEA vision and mission. IKEA vision is to create a better everyday life for many people, and for their mission is to provide well-designed, functional homeware at affordable prices and making quality furniture accessible to everyone. IKEA's success can be attributed to several factors. First, their strong marketing strategy leveraged the 4P to solidify their brand image and thrive in the new market. Second, their innovative flat pack design reduce costs, promote accessibility through efficient packaging, and empower customers through self-assembly. Finally, their unique Swedish product name add a touch of charm and memorability to IKEA experience. IKEA offers a vast range of furniture and home furnishing to cater diverse style and needs. For example, furniture, mattress, bed linen, and kitchen appliances. IKEA also provide textile, home decoration, and storage. They haven't stopped there. They also provide many types of services. For example, they provide a 5 to 25-year warranty depend on the product and defect. They also provide furniture delivery and in-app food delivery. Next, IKEA provide restaurant services, offering a wide range of affordable Swedish-style food. Lastly, IKEA has 445 outlets in many countries that enable customers to purchase products such as Europe, Middle East, North Africa, East Asia, South Asia, and Southeast Asia.
My name is Tanan. I would like to explain about the concept of democratization of design. IKEA philosophy is to offer a wide range of well-designed, functional home products at affordable price. IKEA prioritizes accessibility and practicality in all aspects of its operations, and also understanding the local culture enables IKEA to meet diverse consumer needs in different markets. IKEA achieves its goals by using design philosophy. IKEA designers prioritize functionalities and affordability over high price. They start with functional requirement and price point and reverse innovative, low-cost manufacturing process to create products that meet those criteria. For the function, IKEA designers continue to innovate to meet the different needs of customers. They prioritize what is necessary and avoid unnecessary features. To achieve extremely low price level, IKEA designers creatively utilize production capabilities across industry, repurpose surplus material, and leverage customer involvement in product selection, shipping, and assembly. The theory of sustainable development. IKEA focuses on sustainable sourcing and environmental friendly material not only addresses environmental concerns but also ensure that affordable design do not come at the expense of the brand. For the economic sustainability, IKEA focuses on stable sales growth, innovation, efficient relationship with employee, supplier, and customer, and strategic investment in emerging market to ensure financial stability and growth. Environmental sustainability. IKEA is committed to responsible wood sourcing, reducing environmental impact through product design and material selections, and promoting circular economy principle through the use of recycled material and reducing waste. For the social sustainability, IKEA prioritizes employee well-being, fair treatment, and diversity, while ensuring ethical practice in its supply chains, supporting community developments, and addressing social issues such as child labor, refugee, and support.
Hi, I'm Lee, and now I will be discussing the IKEA value-based pricing strategy. IKEA offers high-quality furniture at price around 30 to 50% lower than the competitor. And then the focus is on meaningfully low price, ensuring affordability without compromising the quality. And then we got 5 key steps of this pricing strategy. The first one is price metric. IKEA use a price metric to identify gaps in their product range. They determine pricing by prioritizing the affordability by offering various styles to meet the market need. And then the next one is global sourcing. IKEA stores come from 1,800 suppliers in 55 countries. The bulk order will help to get a lower price. And then the next one is internal competition. Internal competition is used to select design that match price point, functionality, and also manufacturing the capability. And then we got flat pack innovation. Flat pack innovation reduce the shipping costs and allow customers to easily transport their purchase. They operate a global network of distribution centers located near the container port and also major shipping route. And then the last one is the store experience. The IKEA store offers a wide range of furniture with minimal service but ample information. Now I'm gonna explain about the theory of enhanced customer experience in retail environment. The first one is convenience, which include home delivery, assembly, and installation simplify the purchasing process. The second is personalization, such as kitchen planning and design service. This customized solution and enhance emotional connection among customers. And then the third is value-added service. Furniture assembly and kitchen design solve common challenge, and it can show IKEA commitment to certification. And then we got family-friendly environment. IKEA provide a play area and family restroom, and it creating a welcoming atmosphere for the customer. The last one is brand loyalty. A great experience foster loyalty, and it can encourage repeat purchase and also lead to a long-term success.
Hello everyone, my name is Wei Tat, and I am Ming Lun where we cover the example, application, and calculation method used by the IKEA, which is a global leader in the furniture and home good industry. So that our focus will be on understanding the key operational and design principle that IKEA implement to maintain its competitive edge. So we utilize several strategy tools and principles which refer to economy order quantity, capacity utilization rate, time value of money, circular product design guide, HFB lighting, democratic design, and calculation of IKEA product KPI. Economy order quantity is a formula used to identify the ideal order quantity that minimizes the total cost related to the ordering and holding inventory. This tool help the business in planning their production and procurement process more effectively. The formula is that the square root or 2 times the demand rate multiplied by the ordering cost then divided by the holding cost. So now let's consider an example. Suppose that a company have an annual demand about 500,000 units with an ordering cost about $1,000 per order and a holding cost about $2 per unit per year. By using a EOQ formula, we found that the optimal order quantity is 22,360 units. This means that has to minimize the total inventory cost. The company should place the order about 22,360 units each time they order. In short, the benefit of using EOQ are significant because it helps the company to reduce the total inventory cost and optimize the order quantity to prevent the both stock out and overstocking and enhance the efficiency of production and procurement process. The capacity utilization rate tells us the percentage of a company's actual production output compared to its maximum potential output. It's crucial metric for assessing how efficiently the resources are being used and how well the production facility are operating. The formula is straightforward. You can use the actual output of good produced and divide it by the maximum possible output, then multiply by 100% to get the percentage. For example, let's say IKEA produced 1.2 million units, while its maximum capacity is 1.5 million units. By using a formula, we found that the capacity utilization rate is 80%. This means that IKEA is utilizing 80% of its total production capacity. The time value of money concept tells us that the money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future. This is because that the money today can be invested to earn the return over time. So we divide the future value by 1 plus r power n, where r is the discount rate and n is the number of years into the future. So for example, let's say that IKEA expect to receive 10 million in 5 years by using a discount rate of 5%. The present value for this future cash flow is calculated to be 7.8 million. This means that by receiving 10 million in 5 years is equivalent to have 7.8 million today, considering the discount rate. So time value of money is crucial in the financial decision making because it helps the business to evaluate the profitability and investment and assess the feasibility of the project. So by calculating the present value, the company can make informed decisions about where to invest their resources for optimize the return.
Hi, I'm Jamilun, and now it's my turn to present the circular product design guide. IKEA has commitment to transforming its value chains into a circular model by the year of 2030. Let's explore how IKEA is integrating security into its product design phase. First phase, cycle of security. IKEA's approach revolves around four key cycles which are reused, refurbished, remanufactured, and recycled. Each product is designed to flow through these cycles, maximizing its lifespan and minimize the waste. For instance, IKEA's furniture rental service allow customer to rent items for and promoting reuse. And second is the circular product design principles. By incorporating four key cycle principles that I mentioned just now, it ensures that the product is sustainable throughout its life cycle. And third is the to calculating product lifespan. By understanding usage pattern and fostering emotional bonds, IKEA design product that last longer. And lastly is the functional sustainability. It is a priority at IKEA as it develops products that save resources and improve users' experience. Next, let's look into the part of the overview of home furnishing business lighting. It dedicated effort to assess and enhance the sustainability of IKEA's lighting products. It evaluates each product to understand its environmental impact and identify areas for improvement. For example, in this graph, show that the final 20% of unscored product let input data or will be phased out by fiscal year. For the result of this graph show that among products area with completed scorecards, integrate lightning achieved the higher average score of 123 points. By scoring each product, it can identify enhancement areas and ensure alignment with IKEA's sustainability goals. Next, let's look into the IKEA's unique product philosophy known as democratic design. First is the form. The commitment to form ensure that each item is not only functional but also adds beauty to the customer homes. Second is the function. Continuous improvement in this area leads to products that are not only easy to use but also significantly improve consumers' daily life. Third is the low price. Affordability is a key principle at IKEA as it ensures that the product remains accessible to a wide range of customers. And the fourth is quality. IKEA commitment to continuous improvement ensure that every product maintains high standard of quality and longevity. And the last is the sustainability. This helps IKEA contribute to a healthier planet while offering products that customer can feel good about using it. Lastly, let's see how IKEA measure and improve the effectiveness of its democratic design philosophy using KPIs. First, using communicate performance. This ensures that everyone understands how well IKEA are meeting their design principle and where they need to improve. Second, by specific and relevant. It ensures that the measure what is important for IKEA organization goals to stay focused on their key priorities. Third is measurable and accurate. It ensures that IKEA KPIs provide reliable information that can be trusted for making informed decisions. Fourth is actionable metrics. This actionability help guide IKEA effort toward achieving their design goals. Lastly is to ensure validity. IKEA show how employees work in page KPIs, ensuring everyone understand their role in contributing to these metrics. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Arif, and now I will explain about the discussion. IKEA has made the commitment to sustainability and its transformative journey towards becoming a circular business by 2030. This ambitious goal addresses urgent environmental challenges and aligns with the shared value concept benefiting both the environment and business. By creating sustainable products, IKEA meets economic and ecological needs. Facing challenges like managing a global supply chain, shifting consumer behavior, and balancing innovation with affordability, IKEA adopts circular economy principles. By designing long-lasting products and promoting reuse, refurbishment, and recycling, IKEA emphasizes resource efficiency and waste reduction, echoing Stahel and MacArthur's economic perspective. IKEA ensures ethical sourcing and sustainable production, collaborating with suppliers for transparency and accountability. Investment in renewable energy highlight its commitment to reducing carbon emissions, reflecting Hoffman and Herensfeld's view on corporate climate action. In conclusion, IKEA has revolutionized the home furnishing sector by democratizing design, sustainability, and value-based pricing, making well-designed products accessible to a broader audience. Balancing cost and quality have driven sales growth and innovation. IKEA's sustainable practices include using recycled materials, supporting renewable energy, and designing for durability. Despite challenges, IKEA progresses toward a circular value chain by 2030, enhancing customer experience through services like home delivery and design consultations. The strategy fosters an inclusive shopping environment, meeting practical needs and building emotional connections, solidifying IKEA's leadership in affordable, sustainable home furnishings.